Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I kind of need your guys' help because either I'm not seeing anything or the analysts aren't seeing anything. I was looking to add to my position in Take-Two Interactive. Here we go, Take-Two Interactive. And I found something pretty weird in my opinion. So March 2026, this is the end of this year. Revenue estimates are going to be 6 billion. Okay, so GTA is going to come out after this, so it will be sold the first year in this period. This is only 3 billion more. Now, 3 billion more might sound like a lot, but for $100 per copy, that's only going to be 30 million copies sold. So I was like, there's no way this is right. I'm probably just, there's something wrong. So I look it up on YouTube and here we go. GTA 6 is projected to sell 40 million copies in its first year, with the potential to reach 100 million by 2030. These figures are based on predictions from industry analysts. So like DFC, I don't know if this is maybe AI screwing up, but I'll just take its word, So you might say like, oh, that's a lot. It actually isn't. GTA 5 sells 5 million copies per quarter, so it sells 20 million a year. The shitty game that's ruined by flying bikes and all of that stuff, that is 13 years old, and you're telling me GTA 6 is only gonna sell twice that? That there's no way. There's no way that's gonna happen. It's genuinely impossible. It has to be way more. So yeah, I did a little bit of analysis here. It's not very linear because Take-Two Interactive is so crazy with its share price, but whatever. We're just gonna see what the numbers tell us. So here we go. I set the future PE at 24, that's pretty reasonable. I set the profit margin of 25. That's the average what EA has done in the past 5 years. And to get this return, to get this return, 9% per year, you'll have to buy it at pretty much the same share price that it's currently trading at. And that's only for 17% revenue growth in these 3 years. And then, it just flattens a little bit and just goes like slower growth per year. But this is so low for those past 3. And even if you look at this, this is on the assumptions that it's only going to 9 billion. Okay, so imagine if they sell 40 million copies more. And this number, like these two numbers, like per year, for the first 2 years, we are gonna have, let's show it, bam, there we go, 26% undervalued immediately. So yeah, this is looking quite interesting, guys. Maybe I'm missing something, maybe it's a dilution. I know that Take-Two dilutes a bunch, but it can't be that much. The game is almost finished, guys. So yeah, either I'm not seeing something or the analysts are not seeing something. I feel like this game might even break every record imaginable. It just grows by so much in those first few years, and then you just have a double or something like that, something ridiculous. Also with the margins, if the margins go up with that too, like the peak margins for EA were in 2020 and they were 50%. Okay, let's just go crazy. Like, these are very exuberant estimations. I know, this is kind of crazy. But look, then it's a 3x. These are kind of crazy predictions, but they're not impossible in my opinion. So yeah, I would really like your guys's input on this. I'll show the earnings estimates as well. So here you have the earnings estimates. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah, here we go. More earnings estimates forward PE. Where's the forward PE? So yeah, at 2029 we have a forward PE of just 20, and these are on the very low assumptions that it's only going to sell 40 million copies. So, you know, this is what I found. Maybe I'm missing something. Leave it down in the comments. Help me out here, because if this is actually what's priced in, only 40 million copies, then this is going to be an insane outperformance, I can tell you that. So yeah, just let me know. And this video is only for educational purposes. Don't go buy Take-Two Interactive immediately after watching this video. Do your own research. I'm not very smart, so you know, yeah, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time if I have something